आसगावच्या घर मोडपाच्या कांडात आरोपी पूजा शर्माचो अटकपूर्व जामीन अर्ज बुधवारा सुनावणेक आयलो. क्रायम ब्रांचीचो से खूब व्हडलो आसा तो वाचूंक वेळ जाय म्हूण शर्माच्या वकिलान कोर्टाक सांगले. पूजा शर्माक अटक करची न्ही, अंतरीम थाकाय दिवची म्हूण मागणी. सुनावणी शुक्रारा दवरल्या.
Panji District and Sessions Court is scheduled to hear the anticipatory bail plea of main accused in Assagao house demolition case on Friday afternoon. Crime Branch has filed its say before the court and a copy of that say has been served to the defense side. Pleading to dismiss the anticipatory bail application of Pooja Sharma, Crime Branch has contended that she is the kingpin of whole incident of demolition. The Crime Branch has contended that it is deep-rooted crime because excavator, goons and history seekers were used to commit that crime. Crime Branch has also contended that this is very sensitive case and it has created panic in the locality. Crime Branch has said that Pooja Sharma is absconding since commission of the crime and she has dishonored two summons issued first by the Anjuna police and then by the Crime Branch. Hence, her anticipatory bail application should be rejected. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Matter has been listed day after tomorrow in the afternoon. In the meantime, we had claimed protection by way of interim bail. The court observed that interim bail is implied when the notice is issued.
Sir, why matter is adjourned? You have sought adjournment.
Because they filed a big reply now alleging against my client. So it have demonstrated that she is innocent.
Sir, what is your say regarding that allegations leveled against your...
Absolutely false. I have nothing to do with this.
But
I am just brought in.
But she is owner of the land.
Yes, owner. Possibly somebody had in between created a problem. He wanted to remove it. And I being the owner, I have paid 1 crore, some 14 or 60 lakh something.
पूजा शर्माच्या अटकपूर्व जामिनाक क्रायम ब्रांचीन विरोध केला. क्रायम ब्रांचीन आपलो से दिलो. गुन्यांव जाला थंयच्यान अटक चुकोवंक पूजा शर्मा गायब आशिल्ली. चौकशेत पूजा शर्माचे सहकार्य ना. तिका धाडिल्ले 2 समन्साचोय अनादर जाला. पुराय प्रकरणात तीच किंगपीन आशिल्ल्यान कस्टडीत चौकशी गरजेची. पूजाच ते सुवातीची मालक, घर मोडपाचे कारस्थान तिचे वरवींच जाला म्हूण क्रायम ब्रांच म्हणटा. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.